How can governments use their national budgets to make sure that public finances are being used to deliver the right services to the right places to help the right people? One way is through gender-responsive budgeting. But what is gender-responsive budgeting? It's not a separate budget for women. It's not targeting only programs that are specifically for women. And it's not about seeking to spend exactly the same amount on men as on women. It is about analysing a budget and government policies to understand the different impact they'll have on women and men, boys and girls, and other different sectors of the community. For a woman like Lily, who's a single mother in Fiji, it had an immediate and real impact on her life. Join us to know more about her story and witness how ADB is changing the lives of thousands of women in Fiji.